What is it, girls?
What do you got?
What'd you get?
Is that gingerbread man?
Is there anything else in there, Reagan? You like your present? Say thanks, Grandma and Grandpa Clown.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. Yeah, you like your gingerbread man. You want to give it kisses, Pinnell? Aww, it's your gingerbread man.
You like that, don't you?